What do you do when you are nervous, pensive, or anxious? Do you bite your nails? This is a habit that many people have ever since their childhood and that can carry on until their adult lives. Did you know that 30% of people also bite their nails? If that's your case, keep watching. In today's video, we will talk about an unexpected but efficient technique that can help you stop this habit. As the years go by, your bitten nails can become frail and start to peel off. Did you know that some studies point out that biting your nails could also be related to perfectionism? According to these studies, this habit can help perfectionists reduce their irritation, boredom, and dissatisfaction. Today, besides that nail polish with an awful taste, there is also hypnotherapy to help you. Have you ever heard about it? Hypnotherapy, or clinical hypnosis, is the application of hypnotic techniques as a therapeutic tool. Therapy is used as an aid to treat emotional, physical, and psychological disturbances, and also undesirable habits and feelings. Studies suggest that hypnotherapy could also help treat insomnia, chronic pain, and digestive problems. According to research published in the Lancet Gastroenterology and Hepatology, only 3 months of hypnotherapy are enough to calm down the symptoms of patients who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome for up to 9 months after the treatment. Did you know that? To do it, it's necessary to look for a therapist who is able to do hypnosis in a simple way so that the patient can understand their triggers. According to this theory, besides hypnosis sessions, it is also necessary to meditate daily, visualize, and do breathing exercises to improve focus. Doing so will result in a reduction of anxiety symptoms. According to the experts who studied this technique, only 3 weeks were enough to see the nails growing back strong without any signs of flaking. Besides hypnosis, you can also use other very simple strategies to stop biting your nails, like keep your nails trimmed and filed, as it will stop the stimulus of biting them. Keep close to you an anti-stress ball, elastic band, or even a coin. These objects can help you change your habit of biting your nails by keeping your hands busy. Do you know where you will start? Share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.